talk about Monday when you found out he was cheating. You tell me that it hurts to the bone to trust someone that way, to find that he was deceiving. And I know I've always just been your friend, but if you look my way, I'll make sure you never hurt again. Do you know I exist just to promise you this, endlessly to be true to you? And if you answer my prayer, I cross my heart and I swear, endlessly to be true to you. And if you don't see how beautiful you and I would be, endlessly. Oh, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, oh baby, it's all about you. Listen, babe, they say that true love is sometimes really hard to find. But the moment that I saw you, I knew you're one of a kind. And I'm hoping that someday in the future you could be mine forever. 'Cause before I met you, I thought I was doing just fine. You walked my way, a bright summer's day, the birds and the bees are humming away. Right from the start, you captured my heart. You took all the pain and you tore it apart. You make me wanna sing all night and day, makes me wanna dance all my worries away, gives me butterflies each time I look in your eyes. You're my inspiration. Oh baby, the reason I'm singing this song, you're my inspiration. You are the reason I'm writing this song. You're my inspiration. You are the reason I'm writing this song. Yeah. My life was a struggle, and every time I tried I was stuck. But you came along and gave me a reason to never have writer's block. I found words and melodies came easy whenever I thought of you. Oh baby, our hearts beat in perfect harmony. Never again will I ever feel blue. You're my peace of mind in my ups and downs. My fears disappear when you are around. You shine the light on my darkest night. You always find ways to make everything right. You make me wanna sing all night and day, make me wanna dance all my worries away, gives me butterflies each time I look in your eyes.
Hindi ko lang naman ako at para lang naman sa'yo. Yan ang aking pangako. Sana yan ay matatandaan. Hindi kita iiwan na hawakan ng kamay mo at handa kita samahan. Sa tubig na mumuto ang iyong mga mata. Pupunasan iyong luwa, di ka na mag-iisa. Dahil asahan mo sa paglingon mo sa iyong balik. At ako ang makikita mo. Tatagpian ang mga sugat at ako'y madarama. Kahit hindi mo man sabihin mga bigat sa iyong damdamin na iyong pinapasahan. Dapat sukay din ang mga tala sa kalangitan na akyatin ko ang bundok. Walang uying karagatan ako magsasabi na paano sa mundo mong maunag. Yan aking mga pangako na handa kong gampanan. Sana hayaan mo ako dahil tanging ang ikaw. Sasamahan ka mahal kahit na tayo maligaw na.
Asahan mo nandito lang ako. Walang bumagyo. Ako laging nasa tabi mo. Hindi kita iiwan, ako'y kasama mo. Ang puso ko ito ay kailangan sa'yo.
Kung kailangan tawirin ng lubid ay aking gagawin. Sisisirin ang karagatan, gano'n pa to kalalim mo. Kamtang kulang ang sangkagaya mo na. Para bang isang bituin sa kalangitan ng sangkagaya mo ay sapat na to sa akin. Isang kaberlas na nagniningning o kay sarap mong dakmain. Damahin mo sana tong aking nadarama. Alam ko nang ito'y kakaiba, pero tara sakin ay kay sumama. Lumabas sakin likuran, tingnan mo ang aking mga mata. Para tayong ibon na nakalaya. Binuksan mo ang puso kong ito at pinaraya. Salamat sa aking prinsesa. Ngayon pangako ko sa'yo lahat ay aking gagawin. Para lang sa'yo lahat ng utos mo ay aking susundin. Kahit gano'n pa to kahirap, kakayanin dahil kasama ko ang nag-iisang ikaw.